what I was wanting to say is that I get no method in terms of my packing. So it's literally like, this is a 60-liter bag. How much can we fit into a 60-liter bag? This is my chamois. Hey everyone, man, baby lion. It is currently load shedding, and fortunately, I have a light. Okay, so we are now packing for India. Firstly, I want to tell you about load shedding.
There will never be load shedding again.
So we have a thing in South Africa where we share electricity. There's not enough electricity for everyone, so we are sharing the load. And now they are even introducing some water shedding. It's apparently a new thing. So fortunately, I won't be around to enjoy the joys of water shedding. Yeah, I will be packing in the dark today for India because I have a lot of things that I need to do to get to before I leave. Like, we're so used to, you know, just functioning in the dark. It's kind of like, you know, I think for South Africans it would be strange to have like electricity full time again. Okay, so but want to share something else with you. I was actually making a joke. So we actually currently have electricity, but
Nemo! He touched the butt.
We were supposed to have load shedding now for 4 hours. We're currently in stage 6, which is the worst stage. I was planning to pack in the dark, and then fortunate again, the electricity never went off, but we have this thing also in South Africa where normally if you get spared one episode of load shedding, then you get punished the next day. So let's hope karma is on our side tomorrow and that we don't get double load shedding. Lucky me, I did not have to pack in the dark, so let's get packing. I've got little piles that I made earlier, so now it's just seeing how much of this I can get in, literally. And so luckily I'm going to be traveling most of the summer, so it's going to be summer clothes. But being South Africa and not having a really good like weather tolerance, I need to make sure that I do have enough like jerseys and stuff. So I'm planning to take 2 jackets, and the rest is just like comfy clothes. Like, there's no space for anything fancy. I don't even know where to start. Like, I feel like this is intimidating me. Okay, so I think first, like I said, there's no method. I bought this jacket at a thrift shop in Budapest when I was there in October. So this baby is going with, it's basically like a ski jacket, but I'm taking it with like, you always need to have like one very thick jacket. So this is going to be my one very thick jacket. This thing basically takes up half my bag space. This. Okay. If someone, you know, has really found a method that works for an unorganized person, let me know. I know you get like those travelers which are like super organized, and you know, they have these little bags. I actually have like 3 of these little bags. They look like this, like go travel. But the thing is, like, you know, you're supposed to like plan and have whatever, like your shirts in the one, and your this in the one, and your stuff in the other in the one. But yeah, mine then ends up having like just a bit of everything in one bag, so there's then no point. Shoes is always a hard one. It's such a hard one. So now I need to decide what I'm going to be flying with. Okay, I think these babies. And this will go in here. Okay, so this bag, I'm going to put something in, but normally it becomes my washing bag when I'm busy traveling. I have that jersey. Okay, so let me get all my long stuff in. There's like a few things that will go last. So I generally don't check in a bag, but my flight's going to be quite long, so I will be checking in my bag. But I still, you know, it's like still that concept of having things needing to be it's like a windbreaker thing. things needing to be 100 mils or whatever. Oh yeah, that's also another like important thing in terms of when I travel is I buy a lot of my toiletries in the country. You know, when you full-time traveler, you can't be picky about the body wash you use. I don't have enough long pants, but all of those things, I think I'll buy some more. Okay, my bag is basically already full. Okay, this bag I'm actually just gonna like pack in, and then I'm gonna like decide there. Maybe I do decide to organize stuff a bit more when I'm bored somewhere. I was looking for something. You know, the nice thing about this is there's not a lot of space. Oh yeah, there's a little bag. So that is the perfect use for one of my little bags is my chamois. Chamois. Okay, so this baby will go in here. Okay. Find something else to put in here. Okay, so this will go on the side. Now, all of the long stuff is in at least. My toiletries and those type of stuff I'll pack in like last. So I always just like press it into the like top part. That is basically my packing. There is no like method behind the madness. It's probably like, you know, a bit of chaos. But, you know, if you have this type of lifestyle, like the less simple it can be, the better for yourself. You know, like I always say, if I get to a place and you know, I want to go out and like have something nice, then I just buy something, and then it's kind of like a treat to myself. Oh yeah, and the other thing that works really well for the ladies is dresses, because it's like 2 outfits in one. Okay, so these are all shirts. Okay, you need to, it's getting tight in here. Just a little bit quick. Oh, this needs to really go. Another pile. So you see, the more I can fit in this bag, the better. Okay, there's some space there. I'm going to try and get my shorts in there, because I haven't even packed any shorts. Alright, let's get them in. It's actually quite expensive to do your washing when you are traveling. So it's quite funny. When I was in Turkey with my best friend, like we were like washing our clothes every night and like hanging it on the balcony. It's just like the things that you do. You gotta do what you gotta do. You know, like my toiletry bag still needs to come in. This is such a mess. I've got a whole pile of like things that still need to come in. Okay, that and that. I think it's like all my favorite clothes are still in the wash. So they still need to. See, it's like this pants. I just still a bit wet, but I want to get it in because I need to make sure that it fits. Okay, I'm gonna make this work. You know, it's like gonna be hot, so it's not like normally like sometimes you like add the weight. Oh damn, I'm gonna really need to take. I think it's that jacket is really taking up so much space. Damn. Okay. Because I know I'm keeping. Oh no, but the jacket isn't even in here. It's in this pocket. I forgot. Oh wow. I think I can roll up some stuff and just. I'm literally just rolling up stuff and pressing it in. The more the better, like, you know. At least you know that I'm not going to be buying stuff because I'm not going to have space to buy anything. So, okay. Okay. Guys, the bag is full. And I still need to have a lot of stuff that need to fit in. Oh well. Okay. We'll make it work. Oh wow. We got this. There's still a few. Okay, that shirt. I'm gonna wear that away. Got 2 dresses. We'll make it work. Okay. bag definitely doesn't meet the 7 kg requirements. So planning to take some domestic flights in India just to save a bit of time. So I hope they are lenient. Always used to when you fly with those, because they're like Air Asia and stuff, they make a lot of money with their, you know, domestic. Then you need to buy extra for like luggage space. And I remember so many times, like when I flew back from Vietnam, I literally had my whole bag. I probably had at least like 6 pairs of clothes on. I was boiling because it wasn't even cold. It was like just in the beginning of winter, and I was literally boiling because they actually weigh your bag and they are super strict. So yeah, okay, so this is now full. I have no idea how I'm gonna fit all my stuff in. I literally have no idea. Okay, this is gonna be interesting. Okay, so this is not gonna be squashed. Oh wow, this is gonna be bad. Really bad. I have all of this bag full of just bikinis because it's summer. And a girl likes them bikinis. Oh wow. This is so bad. What are we taking out? There's nothing I can take out, people. This is definitely not gonna fit in. Okay, so the toiletry bag at the top. Okay, that should work. Okay. I think I'm tired of packing now. The rest of the things I will work on tomorrow. Oh Lord, I have no idea how I'm gonna do this. But I'll give you an update tomorrow once everything's packed. So see you tomorrow.